Hi everyone, this is Jan, and we are now on day 6 of our trip. Cape Canaveral was going to try to do a rocket launch that night. They've been trying for a week and were unable to do it, so they were hoping they'd get it done that night. And yes, they were able to get the rocket launch done. We could see it from the top deck. Not much, but we saw the light. And it was good to see that we were able to launch the rocket. Here is the sky course. And my daughter texted me today and she said, "What ship are you on?" And I said, "We're on the Sunshine." And she said, "Well, what's it got?" And I said, "Well, it's got a rope course." And she texted me back and she said, "Are you going on it?" I said, "Well, I was thinking about it." And she liked to drop their teeth. And they're permanent. They're in ones. She said, "You gotta be kidding me. You're not gonna do that. You'll kill yourself." Well, I don't think I'll do it, but I just like tormenting her. And the tubes are for the water slide. And boy, it's way too cold to go onto a water slide.
Oh, I can see it now.
Oh, she's in the clouds.
We can't hear it grow.
God, we couldn't have gotten a better view.
It's coming this way.
It should be going north. It looks like it's going. Think it's going faster than we are? I told you I'd give you the star. Oh, it is.
We're off the coast of Cape Canaveral and we have a rocket launch. I sure hope you can see it. I'm sure the camera won't pick it up, but you can hear it.
hope it wasn't went behind the clouds.
That's it.